Alright everybody, welcome to our first ever product showcase video. In this series, what we're going to do is make a product. It might take 2 days, it might take 3 days, but our goal is to make at least one product in a whole week. It might be more than 2 because we are so competent, but we're going to make a few products. Then we're going to make it public, absolutely utterly public. We're going to showcase everything. You're going to see the code. I will try to share, well, not try, yes, I will share the code base as well, a GitHub repo, which you guys can just clone it, use it, make something else. Entirely, it's up to you, whatever you want to do. We're going to showcase in a whole case study, in a whole case study diagram, not diagram, in a whole case study report, what went wrong, what were the issues we were facing, why this problem is relevant, why we made this, what tech stack we use, most importantly, what AI tools we use, because we are vibe engineers, context engineers, vibe engineers, whatever the word is calling us right now. We are going to use AI for every single thing. The idea is going to be our own. Some aspects might be because of AI, because it's not scope creep, but it's still helpful, and if it is helpful, just include it, whatever. Our aim is to make, once again, a few products. We will have a newsletter going on. It's going to be an email newsletter. Everybody can access it. Our goal is to record a video, and then in the document, our goal is to share it after 2 days. Hopefully, we're going to give enough time so that everybody who is subscribed can get the email newsletter in time. It might be 2 days, and if we go a bit further in the series, we progress a bit more in this series, like publishing 2 or 3 more products, then things might change a bit. Yep, things will eventually change. We plan to make a directory, everybody can access it, blah blah blah. So without further ado, let's get started with the first video. Okay, so the first product ever. I got tired of using WhatsApp to send my files. I mean, they're just really basic files. Why does anybody even need to give those files to WhatsApp? They just have my data. WhatsApp is free. Everybody knows they're using our data to keep it free, so I don't want that. I hate that. Really, I hate that. So in this world, it's better if we have control our own data. So here it is. File transfer was born, baby. So you take a computer, your own source, somebody else's PC, that's the receiving end. We use a server. The server isn't used for storing information. It's not going to be a server in the normal sense. It's not cloud-based. So what's going to happen is your PC and my PC need to know that they are connected on the same ends. So this is our server. A handshake like this. Just imagine a really good handshake. Its only purpose is going to help in establishing a handshake. In the server we hosted on Render as well. You will see why a bit later on, or in the document if you read it. But well, that is the whole purpose of it. We're not going to store any files. Your data is yours, completely and utterly. It's yours. It's your own risk. It's your own everything. Nothing else is going to happen. We don't get a penny from your data because we don't even have it in the first place. And the most important thing, you see this light bulb thing? Once you open it, you see this. You have transferred some files. It shows how much data you have moved, and if you zoom in a bit further, it shows how much energy you have saved. The world is moving towards carbon neutrality, and if you have some data on a server, which is to cloud server, which is running 24/7, it's going to be consuming energy all of the time to store your files. And well, servers, they don't just store a single file, they store 3 copies of the same thing, so that if in case something happens, you still have a backup of that data. And well, it consumes way too much energy. It releases too much carbon into the atmosphere, which I don't really know what happens to the carbon. If somebody knows, let me know. I might search it later on, but well, carbon, bad for the environment. This good. You're saving energy. You're saving carbon. You're a really good human being right here. You're not giving credit to WhatsApp. Good job. You're saving energy and you're saving the environment. Bravo. really good time to live, really good fascinating time to live, and really good human being you are. So let's go further. This is the whole thing as the demo. You press this button, you pick a file. Okay, nope. That's simple. That's something else. Can't show those pictures. Australian Shepherd. You see this link, guys? So what's going to happen is I'm going to copy the URL of my website. I'm going to paste it here, and I'm going to click receive. Press receive, not click receive. It's pudding 734. Pudding 734. Here we go, and get files. I'm a genius. I'm a really good genius. The idea is mine, so I'm a genius. Okay, so that is it for the demo. Once you go here, you can see this. Previously I believe it was 12.49. Okay, let's try again. I want to see what happens next. Remember, it's 12.49 megabytes this time. Oh, on the free plan you can select 2 files, so let's go 2. The size is 142.31 kilobytes. Let's do this. 7 Dicky 351. Okay. Oh, close that. Okay, let's receive Ducky 351. Okay, yes. Let's save these files. Okay, how many files? We might have a problem here. And yes, we do. Where is the second file? My bad. You're gonna have my Codebase now. Made 12.63. It's still transferred, but I wasn't getting that file transferred over there. I might look into it in the future. Not now. This is for the demo. I will just have to make a few changes and it's done. Okay. It's still working. No issues. Okay, so this is the pro mode. Unlock pro. Okay, so the limit goes up. Everything's working. Yep. By the way, this is an ad for a real thing. This is a real thing. I just haven't placed the ad for it yet. The URL behind this. Okay. Proactive limit increased. Let's go back to KawaiiDrop. Something changes. Yep, this changed here. Okay, so that is it for the demo. Even though it was broken, only one bit it was broken. But back to the things we used to build it. Antigravity, Gemini 3 Pro. Let's go. Previously I mentioned about using a server to run it. Okay, Antigravity, antivirus, my bad. Initially I was using the peer.js open server, which is open for everybody. We'll open it right here as well. Let's just peer.js open. That's not the right link. Is this one? Nope. Peer.js, yes. And peer.js status. If you go to this is okay. This is the better one, I believe. Yes, this is the website. Oh, it's is the website broken? Initially it was working the last time I visited it, but okay. Web as peer.js. This is what I used. I believe I have really bad internet right now. Oh, it's working. That site was just down. Oh, I can't open it right now. It's showing another code base. Let's just open it. This is going to be cut. This is not going to be edited at all. No editing will be done, inshallah. You can see this. Oh, by the way, this is a this is a PWA. For those who know, a progressive web app is something which you can just download and use it on your desktop as well. So if I do this, it's going to do this. I already have it downloaded. I already have it downloaded. I already have it downloaded. So it works the same as before. You just press this, you press this. Australian Shepherd, it connects to the internet. Panda 603, you just go ahead and do the same thing, and voila, you're done. It's also downloadable on mobile. I haven't checked it on mobile yet, but the button is available, I believe. Okay, let's check it again. Pew, file transfer. Okay, yep, you see. If you already haven't downloaded the PWA from the link and on the same profile yet, you can do it by clicking this button. But because I have downloaded it from this link, so I'm not seeing the button. Just press it, you'll see this pop up, and well, this should work for one file at least, not 5 at the same time. I'll fix it right now and attach the fixed file. So this was it for the demo. Since this was my first video, since this was our first video, this might be pretty bad. I'm terribly sorry, but the document is really good. It's written by AI, so it has to be good anyways. So I will upload this as is, no editing. I don't like edited videos at all. I'm going to publish this as is. Well, if hopefully somebody signs up for the newsletter after this, they would be able to get it. I plan to publish it on Sunday. 2 days after this video comes out, 48 hours, I don't know, maybe might be something less like that, 36 hours or something, but it will be released on Sunday. So if everybody joins the newsletter, they can just get it. If you know my X, I will link it as well. On my X, you can hopefully find it there. So my newsletter link, not the PDF. I'm not sending the PDF at all anywhere else. It's only going to live in the newsletter. So this is it for the first video. If somebody wants to have something like this made, reskin it, maybe just consult us with something else, let me know in the comments, or I will also be dropping my company's email in the comments as well. So just do whatever you want, give me an email, we can see what happens from there. So my battery is about to end here and here, and that's it. If you stick to this point, congratulations, thank you, that's it.